Color enhancing treatment to add shine, moisture, repair. Refresh and tone blonde or lightened hair. Top reviews from the United States. Very happy with this product. I can't get this product at my local salon, and I am so happy that I can get it via Amazon. It is a great toner, recommended by my trusted hairstylist. Gives great toning and eliminates brassiness in between my regular professional hair color applications. Highly recommend, especially for the price. Shiny gray hair finally. Tried this to see if anything could get my gray hair shiny. It is the first product to do exactly that. I bought it first at my hairdresser's, then quickly ordered more from Amazon. Try this, you will be glad you did.